discuss nature's fury, also weather wars being faced by our hilly states. What exactly is happening? How much destruction has unfolded so far? Let me walk you through the details. North India continues to reel under the relentless fury of nature. After the devastating cloudburst in Kishtwar, yet another remote village in Jammu and Kashmir has been cut off. This time in the Kathua district, sudden cloudburst has resulted in the death of 7 people and injuries to 5 others at the Jodghati village in Rajbagh. The village now stands completely isolated, roads are snapped, communication disrupted, and fear looms large over the residents. Landslides have also been reported in the nearby villages of Bagard and Changda, as well as in parts of Lakhanpur. However, no major destruction has been confirmed in these areas so far. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has directed the administration to carry out relief, rescue and evacuation measures to ensure the safety of residents. Authorities say that teams from the police and state disaster response force were rushed to the scene to assess the damage, re-establish access and also conduct ongoing rescue and relief operations. Also in Jammu and Kashmir on August 15th, a devastating cloudburst in the Kishtwar district claimed the lives of over 60 people with more than 100 injured. Multiple agencies remain engaged in relief and rescue efforts. The calamity occurred near the Mata Machel shrine, causing widespread destruction and also leading to the suspension of the annual Yatra. What is it that the nature is trying to tell us here though? Like we said, we have to discuss the weather wars specifically being faced by our hilly states. Let's also discuss what not so long ago happened in Uttarakhand. Earlier in Uttarakhand, a massive cloudburst in Uttarkashi district on August 5th caused severe destruction with over 50 deaths and injuries to more than 100 people. So 2 cloudburst incidents in hilly states in the span of just 1 month. The town of Harsil now remains submerged under debris following the devastating flash floods which were triggered by the cloudburst. And now we are looking at the devastation and destruction impacting Kathua. 3 different dates, 3 different incidents on your screens from 3 different parts of the country.